Hey guys, Kaden here and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. I really appreciate it. Guys, if you're new, please don't forget to go ahead, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave all your comments. So today guys, I'll be showing you how I maintain my wigs. So I'll be only doing 2 weeks today, and if you want to see how I do it, then continue to watch. So first I'm gonna go in with all these air products, and Right Fairy put me on these and I must say that they're the bomb. So I'm going to go ahead, shampoo the hair, condition it, and yeah. So just watch and learn and see how the process goes. And all the shampoos and conditioners that I use for the black unit is from the Iron collection. So these are really good products. They left your hair feeling soft, smelling good, and looking good. So I'm going to go ahead and place everything in the description bar down below so you can go ahead and check it out. I got these products from Sally Beauty, and yes, this is not a sponsored video. These are stuff that I use my own coins to buy, and I must say I really love them because I use them in my units, I use them in my clients' units, and yeah, I really like it. The only thing I used that wasn't from the Iron collection was the conditioner, which was the Tresemme moisture conditioner, and that's what I leave the units in for a period of time, like right here for a period of time, and so that it gets like really silky smooth and soft before I wash it out. Now onto the second unit, which is a colored unit that I did a while ago. I did it like I think 2 years ago. I made this unit and dyed it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and revamp the color because it's kind of fading. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it in the water method, and then go ahead, leave it to sit a bit. As you can see, the ends are fading. So I'm just gonna go ahead, add some life to the unit, just bring it back, bring some vibrance to it, make the color look vibrant again, and just watch and see what I did. I'm gonna let it sit in the dye for a little bit while I go ahead and rinse the next unit out. I'm ensuring that everything is well saturated before I leave it. So I'm using the brush to put the water all over to ensure that it soaks up everything. Now the black unit is ready to be washed out. So I'm just gonna go ahead, take it from that conditioner water, and then I'm gonna be adding some more conditioner and then rinsing it with some warm water, some lukewarm water, because when I'm doing my straight units I love to use warm water to rinse it out instead of using just the cold water. I rinse it until the water is running super clear, and look how well the brush is going to glide through it. It's just running through smooth and nice. There's no shedding or nothing. Onto the colored unit. Look, the unit sucks up all the most of the dye, so the color is looking much better even though it's wet. So I'm just gonna go ahead, rinse it, and then go ahead and shampoo and conditioner it. And yeah, I'll be using all the same products that I used in the black unit, in this colored unit, and the process is basically the same. I'm gonna wash it, then condition it, and then let it sit for a little bit in the conditioner water so it gets soft, smooth, and silky, and then rinse them out and left them to dry. I normally let my units like dry in like overnight, so I don't use a blow dryer or anything. I usually let them dry naturally. Or should I say I let them hair dry? Yes, that's the word that I was looking for. I let them hair dry overnight. So this took like they took like 3 days. These products help with like colored hair, damaged hair, like product buildup, and because these are old wigs that I've been wearing and wearing without washing, I know they have a lot of product buildup, so it's good to use these. I like to use the 91% alcohol to clean off my laces, and because this is a frontal unit, the black unit is a closure unit. So this has some like glue and sprays, whatever product I use to install the unit. I'm using the alcohol to clean it off. Here you go, my lace is all clean and nice, and now I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it out and leave it to hair dry. Look at that beauty. The color is vibrant even though it's wet. It looks nice and I really like the outcome. So I'm going to see how it looks when it's all dried, flattened, and ready to wear. And here you have it. I like to have my units like tilted backwards so they can hair dry. And then I'm going to go ahead flat iron. So I always use the BioSilk to straighten my hair. And I use this rock tool comb to do the parting, and my flat iron, my straightening comb, and that thing that I use to grab the hair before running the comb through the iron through it. And here you have it. But my units are ready. I can wear whichever I want to wear, and I really like them. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell another friend. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, thank you for always tuning in. Bye.